Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to import a coordinate system, whether it's one you've modified or a custom coordinate system. So what I'm going to do is I have a FieldGenius project open right now, and I'm going to head to the plumb bob in the bottom left corner, and I can also do this from the new project screen, but within my main menu here. And what I'm going to do is select import/export, and then I'm going to select my last option here, coordinate system. That's going to open up my coordinate system import and export menu. And I have a previous video where I exported the coordinate system, but what I'm going to do is I'm now going to import that coordinate system. So I've opened up my file explorer and I'm going to select the file of the coordinate system I wish to import here and click on open. Now, in my case, since I already have a coordinate system with the same name, it's asking me to overwrite that coordinate system. If you do not have to overwrite it, but I'm going to click on yes here. And then I'm going to click yes, and import the 3 coordinate systems that I had created in that file. Once I have those all imported here, I'm going to hit OK, which is going to bring me back to the map screen, and those coordinate systems are now going to be available for selection in my current or any future projects. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use MicroSurvey's FieldGenius to import a custom coordinate system into your data collector, whether that be one you saved previously or a colleague has given to you. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit the subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.